In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in Notion. It's a quick process, and in just about 5 minutes, you'll be able to integrate videos seamlessly into your Notion pages. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to have the URL of the video you want to embed. Whether it's a video from YouTube, Vimeo, or any other service that's supported, make sure you have the link handy. This will be the key to getting your video into Notion. Once you have the URL, open up your Notion workspace. If you're not familiar with Notion, it's a versatile tool for organizing anything from personal projects to team tasks. And today, we'll enhance its functionality by embedding a video. Navigate to the specific page where you'd like the video to appear. You can create a new page or choose an existing one, whatever suits your needs. When you're ready on the correct page, click where you'd like the video to be situated, and then type the / symbol, followed by the word embed. What this does is it brings up a command menu in Notion, allowing you to pull in various types of content, including videos. Now, paste the video link you copied earlier into the field provided. It can be really easy to overlook pasting, so just double check that you've got the link right, as this will determine whether the video loads correctly or not. After pasting, simply press enter. As soon as you hit enter, you'll see the video player load directly into your page. How great is that? This means you can watch your chosen video right within Notion without needing to toggle back and forth between different apps or tabs. If the embedded video doesn't quite fit the layout you want, don't worry. Notion offers terrific flexibility. You can adjust the size of the video player by dragging the handles on the corners. This way, you can customize the video's placement so it perfectly fits within the design of your page, ensuring it's not too small or overwhelming the rest of your content. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully embedded a video into your Notion page. Remember, embedding videos can make your Notion pages much more dynamic and engaging, ideal for presentations, project overviews, or just adding a little more flavor to your notes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now you can integrate videos into your Notion toolkit, creating a visual and interactive component that elevates your productivity game. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our content for additional tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital environments.